Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're going to see how to install Jupyter on Ubuntu 18.04. Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application used for creating and sharing documents which has live code, equations, visualizations, and explanatory text. It includes data cleaning and transformation, numerical simulation, statistical modeling, machine learning, and so on. So it is very simple to install Jupyter, and this tutorial covers the method to install Jupyter on Ubuntu 18.04. So let's get started. So the first foremost thing to do before installing is Jupyter is to add all the required dependency packages to your system. So run the following command to install these dependencies. So let's first check whether we have a Python installed in this machine. So already the Python 2.7.14 version has been installed. So we're gonna install Python pip and Python dev as a dependency for Jupyter. So it is installed now. Once done, upgrade the pip as follows. So in order to do that, run the following command. So let's upgrade the pip now. So after that, if you see here, the previous version install is 9.0.1 and we have upgraded to 9.0.3, and then it's time to install a Jupyter, and you can install it using the following command. Now the Jupyter has been installed. Now run the following command to start the Jupyter notebook. So once the Jupyter launches in web browser, your screen may look like this. So you can create a new notebook by clicking a new button here, available in the top right corner. So you can create a text file, folder, or anything here. So let's create a folder. So if you see here, we created two folder called untitled 1 and untitled 2. And also if you want to remove it, you can just click on this box and then you can delete. So I'm gonna delete untitled folder 1. So if you want to rename, you can click on it and then click on rename. Here you can rename your file. So it has been renamed to testing now. And also if you want to create a new text file, you can open a text file here. So here you can choose your language, C, C++, anything. Let's choose C. So I have choose the C language and you can start typing here. So that was all. Installing Jupyter is pretty simple and easy. Using it also as easy as installation. Moreover, Jupyter has support for over 40 programming languages that you can see from here. So including those popular in data science such as Python or Julia and Scala, it is considered as a handy tool. So I hope this tutorial helps you, and this is how you install Jupyter on Ubuntu 18.04. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com. Mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for any queries.